Download the app was mobile application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then open the downloaded mobile application. Scan the QR code that has been provided to you, either by using your camera or from your phone's photo gallery. Enter the username and password that you have set for yourself. Then click on the Save and Continue button. Click on the Sync Now button to download all the resources in order to use the application offline. The sync process will download all the resources for using the mobile application. The sync process uploads all the offline updates made by you on the server and downloads any new updates on your phone. The mobile application works offline, but to sync the mobile application, internet connectivity is needed. All the application modules available to you shall appear on your home screen of the mobile application. The application modules have the registers which you need to use to interact with or update the details in the mobile application. To register a new student, click on the category Students. Then click on Beneficiaries in School. The All Records tab shows all the registered students or beneficiaries from your school. Come back to the Local Records tab. This screen shows you the updates that you have made but not yet synced. To add a new beneficiary or student, click on the Capture New Record button. Then fill in all the details present on the screen, like name, date of birth, gender, father's name, etc. Active Yes means that the child is still a student of the school. After you have entered all the details, click on the Finalize Form and Exit button. Now, this student's data shall be available in the Local Records tab. To add another student, click on the plus button at the bottom right corner. This student data is not yet uploaded. The double tick sign means that it is ready to be uploaded on the next sync. Once synced, it will be available in the All Records tab. After registering all the students, click on the Data Sync button to sync the mobile application. Now your data has been uploaded and will be visible in the All Records tab. To make updates or view the student's details, click on the student name and select the relevant option. Now, since we have added the student, we will try to update a student activity. Click on the category Students. Then click on School Activities. Then click on Capture New Record. Then enter the respective details as mentioned on the screen. Depending on the grade selected by you, the list of students shall be displayed. Then choose the students who participated in the school level activity. Then you can also validate some of the details displayed for each participating student that have been marked by you. After you have entered all the details, click on the Finalize Form and Exit button. Similarly, you can add the details of another activity with different details. Then click on the Finalize Form and Exit button. These records are ready to be synced. Click on the Data Sync button to sync the mobile application. A thing to note is that syncing is not necessary after every update, but you can make multiple updates or changes and sync the mobile application. Now the updates made by you will be visible in the All Records section of School Activities.